achieving a high of 33,000, close to 33,000, US100 at 13,100, close to 13,100, both now trading with a good drop. What is going to happen today? Whether we should remain short or whether it is going to bounce back again, we will see with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to watch till the end. First, we'll look into NASDAQ 100. Next is Dow Jones, and yes, the next analysis on these two will be up before the US cash session, so do watch that also. Do press the bell icon and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Let's start the day with US100 first. US100 trading at the support levels at 12,880, which is a very strong support. Now look at the hourly charts. This is a waterfall pattern and it is simply giving you the fallout there. The support there at 12,880 is strong and 12,900 is strong, so it is trading below these two support now, failing to trade below 12,880. 12,880 is a very strong support, I told you yesterday also. Now I look forward to 12,850 levels. Only if it trades below 12,850 you can consider that it is going to go bearish, and only if it trades beyond 12,950 you can consider that as a bullish reversal for the day. So yes, you have to watch out for 12,950 and 12,850 levels. Directional movement bearish, stochastic is oversold, MACD is Y divergent bearish, RSI is looking downwards. If you look at the 2-hour chart, similar is the story on the 2-hour charts. Now also this is getting the resistance at 12,900, 12,920 and 12,950. These three levels you have to watch out for. Beyond 12,950 you can stay long again for 13,000 plus levels. See, it is coming back to these levels again. It is coming back to this level again. It is given you higher highs, so yes, be watchful there. If it successfully trades below 12,850, definitely strong bearishness can be seen. Else till the time it trades above 850, I will not expect it to drop more. You can expect that it can bounce back, but between 850 and 950 you have to be little bit cautious there. Directional movement willing to converge crossover, stochastic looking downwards, MACD wide divergent and bearish, RSI is looking downwards. And if you look at the 3-hour chart, similarly on the 3-hour charts it is giving you a breakout. Now look at this. The previous few candles you have seen higher lows. Now this is a breakout candle and this is the first candle after you can see after consistently giving you higher highs, higher lows, this is giving you a breakout, indicating that there could be more bearishness. Be watchful of 850 and 800, and below that you can expect it to drop. So yes, at 12,850 you can go short for 12,810, and below that you can remain further bearish, and then it is going to crash further. Directional movement is bullish, it is looking forward to converge. Stochastic is looking downwards, MACD is looking bearish, it is wide and divergent, and RSI is looking downward. On the 4-hour charts too, look at this. It is giving you a breakout, higher highs, higher lows, in which it was trading. Now it is giving you a breakout. So till the time it trades below 12,950, I will not recommend you to take any position below 12,950. Now the target is towards 12,850, which is the very strong support. See, 12,880, I have always maintained 12,880 is a good support. Then 12,850 levels, below that 12,810. These three levels you have to mark out. Below 12,810, it could bring a very strong drop till towards 12,700, and then it will come to 12,600, 550 levels also. Directional movement is bullish, is looking forward to converge. Stochastic looking downwards. The MACD has just crossed over. This is the first red candle. We can expect further more red candles in the coming time frame. Stochastic RSI looking downwards, and if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts you can find, see, higher highs, higher lows. This was the channel in which it was trading. Now looking forward to a drop. This time the drop could be sharp enough. First target at 12,810. But look at this, see these two candles. If you consider the dots here, just try to connect these two candles. So the support there at 12,800 and the resistance at 13,020, 13,050 now is going to be strong. Yes, if you see it trading beyond 12,950, go long, and then you can expect 13,020, 13,050 levels, and beyond that it will fly high. On the downside, if you see it trading below 12,850, go short for 12,810, and then below that you can remain short for 12,700 and 12,600 levels. So take your positions accordingly. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought, looking downwards. MACD is willing to converge from here. RSI is near to top. So similarly, in between 12,850, 12,950, do not trade for 100 points. Below 12,850, you can expect 12,810, and below that, I look forward to a stronger slide towards 12,700 and below levels towards 12,600, 550 levels. On the upside, if it breaks 12,950, go long for 13,020, 13,050, which is going to be stronger resistance. Possibility exists that it may try to trade, give you lower highs, lower lows, and hence 13,02040 or 13,050, and on the downside 12,810, 12,780 level should be the trading zone. Trade accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. US30 trading below the support at 32,800 and the trading at the next support at 32,700. This is the next support zone. See, it is trading at the bottom of the Bollinger Bands. So you know now that only long entry I will recommend is above 32,800. Only long entry is above 32,800. Only short entry, yes, till the time it trades below 32,700, we can stay short. But let's be cautious there because this is oversold now. Directional movement bearish. Stochastic oversold. MACD wide divergent and bearish. RSI is looking downwards, and if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, succession red candles in succession is what we have seen. It is trying to take a shape. The support there is 32,670 is strong, and it is trying to take the support and trying to rise. So I will not recommend you to take a short entry till 32,650 levels. Below 32,650, yes, you can go short for 32,600, and then 32,500 is a must. It must try to achieve these levels today itself. Else on the upside, now look at this. On the upside, you have to be watchful of 32,800. Trading above 32,800, definitely one can stay long. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is wide divergent bearish. RSI is comfortable. Similarly, if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, it is giving you a breakout, and this is the first candle of this breakout. Possibly we can expect further more candles, and yes, there is a support here at 32,660, 670 levels. Only if it breaks below, you can expect 32,600, and then below that on the downside 32,500 is a must to achieve today itself. So be watchful. Do not long anything till the time it trades below 32,800. Directional movement is looking forward to converge. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD is wide divergent bearish. RSI looking downwards. Similarly on the 4-hour charts, if you look at, it is giving you a breakout here. Lower highs, higher lows was what we had seen. Now it is looking forward to give you a breakout. 32,600 level should provide a very strong support. Below 32,600, you can expect it to crash for 32,500, 32,300 levels. 32,300, 250, very strong support zone. 32,300, 250, or rather I will say 200. In between this, there is a very strong support zone. It can achieve this and bounce back. Directional movement is bullish, looking forward to crossover. Stochastic looking downwards. MACD has just crossed over on the 4-hour charts, and it is going to remain in red. It appears RSI was overbought, now looking downwards. Similarly, if you look at the daily charts, lower highs, lower lows, be watchful of 32,600 and 32,500 levels. Below that, 32,300 is a must. Directional movement is bullish. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is in green, trying to converge. RSI is overbought. Considering this, yes, you can go short at 32,670. Expect it to achieve 32,630, 32,600, and then 32,500 levels. 32,600, 32,500 zone is going to be important for US30. If it drops below, then you can expect 32,300 and 200 zone. On the upside, yes, if it trades above 32,820, you can go long, and then you can expect it to achieve 32,900, which is a very strong resistance, and beyond that it will fly for 33,000. In between these 150 points, 32,670 to 32,820, do not trade. Do not trade between 32,670 to 32,820 levels. Rest, take your positions accordingly and trade with a stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch, join my VIP signals group. Mentorship batch is all about trading strategies, methodologies and the art to trade profitably. 15 days, 90 minutes daily, and a lifetime support is what you get. Do not miss this opportunity. Reach out to me for more details on both. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.